We're still dealing with composition of functions, so we have f of g of x, and we also have to find g of f of x. Therefore, we're going to use f of x and we're going to use g of x. You notice you have f of g of x, and I asked you in class what is function or what is the equation for g of x, and all of you told me it's 3 minus x, so therefore what goes into f will be 3 minus x. We do know that function f is 5 times x plus 4. The next question I asked was, what do you put in place of x? And what you have to put in place of x is actually 3 minus x. Now the last step is to go ahead and simplify. So you have 5 times 3, which is 15, and then 5 times negative x, which is negative x plus 4. So therefore, f of g of x will be 15 minus x plus 4. We got to simplify. So 15 plus 4 gives us 19, and we normally start with negative x, and it's going to be negative x plus 19. That will be f of g of x. Now we have to find g of f of x. As asked in class, what was the equation for f of x? So now our input will be 5x plus 4. So we have g of 5x plus 4. Now we have to look at function g, and function g states 3 minus x. So we have 3 minus, therefore we're going to have x here, and this x will be replaced with 5x plus 4. And since we have a negative here, we have to distribute the negative, and we have 3 minus 5x minus 4. And then our last step is to simplify, so we have negative 5x minus 1. So therefore, g of f of x will be negative 5x minus 1.